Hello. Hi,
Hello,
Duke.
teacher.
Hello, Duke. How are you today?
I'm so happy.
So
I'm right.
happy.
I'm right in a test.
Again, wait. Hold on.
I'm right in a test.
Ah, you got a perfect score from the test?
Yes, I'm
Wow.
a Vietnamese.
Uh-huh.
A Vietnamese
Uh-huh.
is 9 points, and math is 10 points.
Wow. English?
English is nine days, 75.
Ah, 9.75 like this? Wait, hold on. 9.75 like that?
Yes,
Wow. Almost perfect. How about science?
science. I know the science.
Ah, you didn't have science. So Vietnamese 9, math 10, and then English 9, almost 10. Wow! Congratulations, Duck. Congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations, my dear. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yay! Very good. You're so smart. Okay. So, I think you went to school today. Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, you went to school today for the test, honey? You went to the school today to do the test?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, my dear, are you ready now for our material or for the continuation of our material? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. You say yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Okay. Now, let's have this one. Okay, but before this one, honey, before page 20, let's have these new words first. Let's start this one. Let's see if you still remember all of these words. Okay? Let's start with picture 1. What's for picture 1, honey? What is that?
Television.
A TV. Very good. A television or a TV. Okay. Well, okay, honey. When do you usually watch television?
I watch Cartoon Network or maybe
Many networks? Yeah.
yes.
But honey, when? Like when do you usually how do I say this one? When do you usually watch it? Like how I mean when do you usually watch television, honey? Like
I
in the
wa-
in the morning, in the afternoon or evening? Yeah?
I eat evening and morning.
Very good. You say I usually watch television in the how do you say it?
I watch TV. I usually watch TV in the morning and evening.
Very good. Great job, honey. Okay, now let's have the second word. What is that?
It's the bed.
Okay, it's a bed. Honey, what do we do in the bed?
I sleeping.
Very good. You say, honey, I sleep, not sleeping. I sleep
I
in bed.
I sleep in the bed.
Very good. Let's see if it's a bed. Yes, very good. This is a bed. Great job. Okay, let's have the third one. Let's have the third.
Table.
Yes. What do we do in
Table.
the table, honey? What do we
I
do in the
eat I'm a food is on the table.
I put food on the table. Again.
And I eat. I put food on the table.
Okay. I eat. Okay, you say I eat and okay. Here, honey. Please read.
I eat and put food on the table.
Very good. Okay, that is it, honey. Let's have the fourth one. Let's have the fourth picture. What is that?
And the armchair.
An armchair. What do we do in the armchair?
I sitting in the armchair.
I sit. I sit on the armchair. Again. Can you say it again?
I sitting on the armchair.
Honey, no ing. Just this. I sit on the armchair.
I sit on the armchair.
Very good. Because you're referring to yourself, honey. We have the word I here. I. So we don't add ing or sitting, okay? It's just I sit. Okay? But for teacher is it sit or sitting, honey? We have the word is.
Sit.
And the verb here, yes, honey. The verb, honey, is the word. What is this word?
Sit.
Yeah, that is the verb, the action word. And we have the word is. So if we have the word is, honey, next to the sit, we have to add ing. Okay? Teacher is sitting. Okay?
Teacher is sitting
On the arm chair.
on the armchair.
Very good. But if you're referring to yourself, honey, it's just sit. No ing to the verb. Okay? All right.
Yes.
Again, one more time. We have the first one. T.
I sit.
Just read, honey. Just read the word. First one
I
is
sit a TV.
Yes. Second
A
one.
bed.
Mm-hmm.
A
Third.
table.
Fourth.
An armchair.
Very good. An armchair. Okay, now, since you've remembered everything, honey, let's move forward to page 20 where we left last time. You ready for page 20?
Yes.
Okay, let's have page 20.
What's in the kitchen?
Okay.
What is a
What's in the
kitchen?
kitchen?
Again.
What's in the kitchen?
What is a kitchen?
What's in the kitchen? Again.
What is a kitchen?
Okay, again, honey, again. You listen carefully, okay? Again, one more time.
What's in the kitchen?
What's in the kitchen?
Yeah.
A table and an armchair.
A table and an armchair.
Very, very good. That is it, honey. Now, let's have this. Please read again.
What's in the kitchen? A table and an armchair.
Yes, a table and an armchair.
What's in the kitchen?
What?
Okay, this will be the structure for tonight. Duke, please read what's written in the structure.
What's in the kitchen? A table and an armchair. To ask and answer about things in a house.
Very good. Okay, let's have this one. Let's have number 1. What's in the kitchen? You have to write the answer. Duke, okay? Use your pen and then write your answer in the blank space.
Here.
Okay. Let's go ahead. Let's check if where's your answer here.
Here.
Press enter, honey. Or click your mouse. Click your mouse. Click your mouse here. Right click. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, let's see. Very good. Yes. Okay, let's read your answer, Sunny. Let's start from number 1. What's in the kitchen?
A table.
And
an armchair.
Very good. 3, 2. What's in the bedroom?
A bed and a TV.
Very good. Okay, next. Let's move forward to the next one. Okay, what's in the
living room?
Very good. Next.
What's in the bedroom?
Very good. Next.
What's in the kitchen?
Yes. Next.
What's in the bathroom?
Yeah. Okay, let's have this one.
TV and bed. Table and armchair. An armchair.
Okay. All right, let's have this one, honey. What's in the
a bath and a chair?
Honey, what's the question? You make the question.
What's in the bathroom? A chair and a bath. An eraser.
A chair and an eraser. Oh, why is the eraser in the bathroom?
The eraser is on the chair.
Yeah. Why is the eraser on the bathroom?
Tại sao cục tẩy lại ở trong phòng tắm?
Okay, let's have the next one, honey.
Don't.
What?
What's in the kitchen?
What's in the kitchen?
A table and a chair. A table and a chair.
Yes, a table and a chair. Okay, next. 3.
What in the living room? A TV and an armchair.
Very good. 4.
What in the bedroom? A bed and a table.
Very good. A bed and a
table.
A bed, a table. Honey, read.
And a bed, a table, and a chair.
Very good. Okay, so let's look and answer, honey. What's in the living room?
A TV and an armchair.
Very good. Great job, Doug. Okay. Next one. What's in the
kitchen? A table and a chair.
Very good. Next. What's in the
bedroom? A bed and an armchair.
Very good. Next. What's in
a bathroom? A table and armchair.
Very good. Okay, now here are the vocabularies that you've learned from the last
last lesson. For today's lesson, the vocabularies I learned about are a TV, a bed, a table, an armchair.
Very good. And for the structure, for today's lesson, the structure.
For today's lesson, the structure I learned about are what in the kitchen? A table and an armchair.
Very good.
What's in the kitchen?
Okay, for your homework, honey, you're going to practice the vocabulary and the structure and make sentences using them.
Okay.
Okay, let's have whiteboard. Let's have whiteboard. You spell. Let's do spelling, okay? Before we go to the next lesson. Let's do spelling first. Okay. Now let's go, honey. Please spell the word table. Table. Okay, very good. That's the correct spelling of the word table. Next, spell the word armchair. Armchair. Very good. Next, spell the word kitchen. Great. How about the bathroom? Bathroom. Well, that's great. Great job. That's the bathroom. Yes. Okay, very good. Next to bathroom, we have the word bedroom. Very good. Next to that is living room. Living room. Well, that's great and perfect, Duke. Now we are going to have the next material. Thank you so much, honey. You did so great in this material or in this lesson. Now we're going to have lesson 3. Are you ready for lesson number 3, Duke?
Yes.
I am.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Let me share. Okay, so this is still unit number 3, honey, and this is still about my home, your home, and teacher's home.
My home. Let's unit 3. My home. Lesson 3. Page 14-2.
Very good. Thank you so much for reading. Thank you so much for reading, Duke. Now, by the end of this lesson, Duke, you will be able to talk about the location to review the things in a house. So let's have this one. Let's have a review. What's missing here? What is missing?
The bed is missing.
Very good. Next one. Which one?
The bathroom is missing.
Very good.
The bedroom is missing.
Oh, wow. Next.
The kitchen is missing.
Very good. Next.
The armchair is missing.
Wow. Next.
The bed is the television is missing.
Yes. This one.
The table is missing.
Good. This one.
The living room is missing.
Yes. Okay, let's have review number 2. You have to ask the question, what's in
the living room? A television and an armchair.
Okay. Very good. Next, what's in
the kitchen? A table and a chair.
Next.
What's in the bedroom? A bed and an armchair.
Very good. Next.
What's in the bathroom? A table and an armchair.
Very good. Now it's time to learn, honey. Let's have this one. Okay. We have, yes. What are these, honey? Okay, we have the first one. We have the
In.
Where's the bird? The bird is?
The bird is in the box.
Very good. We have the second one.
On.
The bird is on the box.
Very good. We have the third one.
Under. The bird is under the box.
Very good. We also have the next one.
Next to.
Next to. The bird is next to the box.
Very good.
I have is behind, in front of.
Yes. We have the behind, in front of, but for this topic, honey, we only have this four. Yeah. We call it, honey, the prepositions of places. Okay? Okay,
yes.
but that's okay. Again, one more time, what's the first one? Look, the first one is 2,
on,
3,
under,
4.
next to.
Very good. Next to. Okay, let's have this one. We have here the
Come in. Under. Next to. Come in. On.
Okay, let's have this one. You have to read a number, honey. You put the number in the box. Please put your number.
A2. B3. C4 and D1.
Okay, let's listen to the structure, honey. Let's have this.
The TV is on the table.
The TV is on the table.
Very good. Okay, again, please read. The TV is
on. The TV is on the table.
Very good. The TV is on the table. For the structure, honey, again, one more time.
The TV is on the table.
It is to talk about
location.
Very good. Okay.
The TV.
Let's have this one, honey. The chair is.
The chair is next to the table.
Very good. Next.
The rubber is under the chair.
Wow. Next.
The book is in the school bag.
Very good. Next.
The TV is on the desk.
Great. Next, number 5.
The armchair is next to the bookcase.
Very good. Okay, let's point and let's talk together, honey. The chair is.
The chair is next to the table. The rubber is under the chair. The book is in the school bag. The TV is on the desk. The armchair is next to the bookcase.
Okay, now you have to read, circle, and then point and say, honey, you circle. Okay, number 1. Please read number 1.
The desk is next to the bookcase.
Is it a yes or a no?
It's yes.
Okay, it's a yes.
The rubber is under the bed. No.
Next.
The lamp is on the table. Yes. The book is in the school bag. Yes.
Okay. Next. Look and say.
The desk is next to the bookcase.
Okay, hold on for a while, honey. The positions of place. Okay, next. The bookcase is next to
the desk.
Okay. Next one.
The rubber is on the bed. The bed is under the rubber.
Okay, very good. That's so cute. Okay, let's have number 3.
The lamp is on the table. The table
Okay.
is under the lamp.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Oh, wow. We are already done with this lesson, Duke. So here are the vocabularies for today, honey. What are the vocabularies?
For today's lesson, the vocabulary I learned about are in, are, under, next to.
For the structures?
For today's lesson, the structure I learned about is the TV is on the table.
Very good. And for your homework here, honey, you're going to practice the vocabularies and the structure and make sentences using them. So anyway, Duke, we are going to have lesson number 4 tomorrow, okay? Yeah, tomorrow we still have class and we're going to have unit number 4. Since we don't have enough time anymore, honey, Teacher Shane is going to say goodbye now. Thank you so much, my dear, for your time, and we're going to meet again tomorrow. Bye-bye, Duke. Enjoy your night.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.